So my name is Felicia Streeter, and I am a government contracting strategist. I help small business owners, minority-owned, woman-owned, service-disabled, veteran-owned, small businesses in general that are looking to make the transition from the private sector into the government contracting sector. I help them navigate the RFP process. I help them build past performance, get 8A ready, and start bidding and winning contracts as a government contractor. Making the transition from being a service provider to providing an online service, it really came about from two things. One being that I was getting a lot of clients all over the US, and so I could not feasibly do anything in person. It just didn't work that way. And then also being able to scale and providing a service, there's a cap. I can only do so much. I can only be in so many places at one time. And I just didn't want to work that hard either, just to be totally honest and transparent. And so that's why I went to creating the online course, because ultimately my mission is to help as many people as I can make the transition from the private sector into government contracting, take advantage of all the opportunities and build their $1 million businesses. So the AA program was a really big turning stone for me in that one of the biggest components was YouTube for me. And Sunny was and still is today, the expert. I mean, you can go out there and look, she's still the expert in YouTube. And so I wanted to use that tool to grow my online business, but I also wanted to have my business, my lifestyle as I saw Sunny. So I resonated with all of that. And so that's why I choose the Authority Accelerator, which is AA. That's why I chose that, because it gave me the things that I needed to build the type of business that I wanted online, and also even the marketing tool, which was YouTube for me, and it still is today, is a big part of my business and how I get my clients. And so that's two of the main reasons. And then Sunny herself is why I chose the Authority Accelerator program. Some of the tangible results I've achieved in the Authority Accelerator is, one, I did what we call our 30 days cash flow, which is one of the things we learn inside the accelerator. I did that, and that netted me $50,000 in 30 days, which was awesome. And then, after that, it's rinse and repeat. In addition to that, I grew my YouTube channel, and these things are still growing, but I grew my YouTube channel. I probably had a few thousand, but now I'm over 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. So I'm getting the reach. I've created a business that I love and enjoy. I'm not working as hard. So I have the systems, because she teaches you the systems, the back end as well. So not just the front end, but the back end of running your business as well, which is really, really great. And so it allows you to have the lifestyle you want. And one of the things Sunny talks about is having a legacy business, and what she teaches. And if you implement it, that's the end result. So that's what I have now, a legacy business. And a lot of people don't understand the lifestyle that I have and how you're able to make the money that you make, but they look at your lifestyle and say, but you're not really working that hard. But that's where the systems and things come into play that Sunny had us set up. So yeah, what I would tell anyone that is thinking about joining the Authority Accelerator, don't think about it, do it. If your goal is to grow your business and you have an online business that you want to grow, definitely join the Authority Accelerator. Again, you're going to get the entire framework that you need to put in place. The trainings are great, standalone. Really, to be honest, you may not even need that much coaching from Sunny, because that's just how good the training material is. Everything is laid out step by step. You have all the templates that you need. There's no guesswork. But if you have questions, they have 2 calls a week that you can join and get all of your questions answered, get your assets reviewed. So, I mean, it's everything you need, a business in a box, if you're looking at building an online business. And then the bonus is that you also have all of the trainings to build out your YouTube business as well, to support your online business. So I would say, don't walk, run.